Hello, grade 9. Today we will talk about inscribed angles. It's lesson 4 in chapter 12. What is the meaning of inscribed angle? Do you remember the central angle? Like this one? Its vertex lie on the center of the circle. This is central angle. But the inscribed angle, it's an angle, its vertex lie on the circle, like this one. So let's see the definition of the inscribed angle. Is an angle whose vertex is on a circle and whose sides contains chords, like this one. Look at these two sides. Chords in the circle. So look at angle 1. Is it an inscribed angle? Of course not. Look at its vertex. It's not on the circle. What about angle 2? Yes, it is. It's an inscribed angle. Its vertex lie on the circle. And this one, as you know, it's not inscribed angle, it's central angle. What about this one? Yes, it's inscribed angle. So number 2 and number 4 are inscribed angles. And now we will have theorem 1 in lesson 4. Inscribed angles theorem. The measure of an inscribed angle is half the measure of its intercepted arc. What does it mean? We have here an inscribed angle ADB. If you want to find the measure of this inscribed angle, you can find it by finding half the measure of its intercepted arc, and as we see here, the intercepted arc is AB. So measure angle ADB is equal half, yes, the arc AB. Let's see an example. Find measure angle GHJ. GHJ. This angle. What about this angle? It's an inscribed angle. Its measure, as we said, equals half the measure of the intercepted arc. The intercepted arc here, GJ, equals 100. So its measure half 100. Half 100 equals 50. Another one. Find measure arc CD. This one. CD is an arc intercepted to the inscribed angle B, so it's double the angle. So measure arc CD is equal double 2 times 40, which is 80. So if you want to find the inscribed angle itself, find it by using half the arc. But if you want to find the measure of the arc, it's double the inscribed angle. Another theorem, theorem 2 in lesson 4. If we have two inscribed angles of a circle intercepted by the same arc, then the angles are congruent. What does it mean? Look at angle D and angle C. These two angles are inscribed angles in the circle. What is the arc of the inscribed angle D? Its intercepted arc is, as we see here, arc AB. And the intercepted arc for angle C, its arc AB also. So these two inscribed angles have the same intercepted arc. So they are equal in measure. They are congruent. So measure angle ADB, measure angle ADB equals, yes, measure angle ACB. Let's see an example. Here we have two inscribed angles, angle Q and angle T. Find measure angle RTS. So it means to find measure angle T. As we know from theorem 2, here we have two inscribed angles. They intersected by the same arc. So they are equal in measure from theorem 2. So measure angle RTS equals measure angle Q equals 31. Thank you for watching. See you inshallah in the next conference. Bye bye.